To further our discussion of details, I want to go over this particular site plan. So this is a site plan. What we have here is a road with some asphalt. We have a pond here. Remember we talked about the different grade lines, and since we're going down from 10 to 5, that means that there's a pond there. But what is kind of standing out to me that I want to impart on you is the use of these details. So I'm going to zoom out for a little bit. So this is a sheet. I know you can't see all of the details, and we're going to zoom in a minute to discuss those. But what is being accomplished here from the bigger picture? Well, first of all, we have a site plan here. Okay, we all know that. It's a top-down view, and we have these callouts. Now, in video 17, we talked about the referencing of those. So let's zoom in and take a little bit better look at it. So if this is an asphalt roadway, it's 29 feet wide. It has a center line, just as you covered in survey. There's station numbers here, and that's station 12 plus 00. So we have indicated with this call out, or this detail, which is B detail on sheet CD1. So again, that's B detail on sheet CD1. And what we use for CD is civil details. It could be named anything, but so what the reader is seeing here is that this particular asphalt paving, which has a cross section where there's base, sub-base, asphalt, it has a detail that needs to be followed. We can't just let the contractor put in whatever he wants, because otherwise we get the cheapest product out there. So if we go to detail B, okay, I'm zooming down, we have several different joints here. For instance, this sidewalk. Construct 6-foot concrete sidewalk for detail C, CD1. So in detail C, we have a sidewalk here. It tells us the thickness of it, what's required for reinforcement. And this is typical to all areas that are called out. We have repeating details here, so that means that if I pour concrete in this area here, I have to follow a detail. If I also pour concrete here, I have to follow C detail as well. So we can do those more frequently than we could if we put notes. With these details, it would be very difficult to say every time, well, I want a 6-inch thick concrete pad with number 4 rebar in it, each way, each face. That's a lot of words. It becomes too bulky. And so, again, based on what we learned in video 17, we handle that with these details. The details don't have to be on the sheet that is referenced. It can be on another sheet, and that's the reason for the details. So detail C of CD1 is not actually here. It is, sorry about this. I'll skip too many pages. Again, I'm looking for sheet CD1.